In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer money from Bank of America to Revolut. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna go over the standard process of initiating a transfer from your Bank of America account to Revolut, and also some considerations to make if you aren't able to get this process done. So, I recommend that you do it through the Bank of America website. You can try following along on the Bank of America mobile app, and all that you have to do is add the Revolut account as a recipient on your Bank of America account. So if you want to do this process through the website, sign into your account and access the online banking session. In there, hover over transfer/Zelle at the top of the screen and then choose transfer to or from other banks. When you choose that option, you will be able to include all of the necessary details to make this transfer. So the origin, the destination, the amount and the frequency. You can choose from any of your standard Bank of America accounts, and now you have to link the Revolut account. So choose the add account/recipient option and you will be redirected to this page where you can set up the account. So choose between domestic or international, choose if it is a bank account that you have or someone else's, and now include all of the details about Revolut. Now this is the part where a lot of people might have trouble. If you aren't able to get a standard account code and bank number for your Revolut account, then sadly you will not be able to get this process done through this window. You will have to look into alternative means. You can try transferring it over to another bank and then use that bank to fuel money into Revolut, or you can use a debit card to load money into Revolut. So, like I said, you will only be able to do this if you are able to input all of the details about the Revolut account. Once you input all of the details, you can go back to the Make Transfer option, and it should appear as one of the available accounts that you can transfer money to. So choose that from the list of options there, and then include the amount and the frequency. You will be able to review everything and get this process done. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer money from Bank of America to Revolut. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.